Why are people buying houses? 4 reasons why people were buying houses in 2020 that we believe will be the same reasons they're going to buy houses in 2021 or sell houses in 2021. We've already spoken about rates, interest rates. Interest rates are currently at 2.65%. That is a record low, and it is under rates in January 2020. It is under those rates by 1%. So are they going to keep going down? Well, how much further do they have to go? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. If you find the property you like, there's no need to wait for interest rates to go down. Buy the house. These rates are crazy. Another reason people are moving is that this work from home situation that we have found ourselves in has gone on far longer than anybody thought. And it's possible if you were commuting, say, to the city 5 days a week, you may in the future only need to be in the city 2 or 3 days a week. So you need a little more space in your home to work from home comfortably. You have a little less restriction in your commute tolerance. And we're seeing that people are moving so that they have more space. And when they're moving, where they're choosing to move is different because they don't need to commute as much as they once did. Number 3, people are looking for more outdoor space. Home Advisor, another data aggregator, discovered that 27% of homeowners spent more money on outdoor living this year than they have in any other year. People are staying home. We can't travel as much. Maybe you're not comfortable going to the public pool. You put a pool in your backyard. You buy a boat. You finish your deck. All different things that you can do to make the most of your outdoor space. If you're thinking of selling and you have a lovely patio that might need a little attention to make it show better, go ahead and do that because it's going to help you get the most value for your home. Another reason that people are moving is to avoid renovations. The National Association puts together a profile of home buyers and sellers. They do this every year. And in the past year, or the last time they did this, which was 2020, 44% of those who moved did so to avoid a renovation. I often receive phone calls from people to ask me to help them decide if they should renovate or move. And in the past, when I get those calls, I would say it's about 50-50. People decide to stay where they are, or people decide to move and not live through a renovation. So 44%, that's down from what my gut would have said it should be or has been. So there's the story. If 2021 is your year to buy or sell, or if 2021 is your year to think about buying or selling in 2022 or 2023, reach out. We work at your pace, never any pressure. Happy to share our knowledge. Hope you have a great day.